Local area network. Networking. Under network there are LAN, MAN and WAN. LAN Local Area Network, LAN, is a group of computer and network devices connected together which spans relatively small area. LAN are cable transmitting data at very fast rate with limited distance. MAN Metropolitan Area Network, MAN, is a large computer that usually spans several buildings in the same city or town. WAN Wide Area Network, WAN, connected network in larger geographic areas, such as Florida, the United States, or the world. The LAN components are cables, workstation, servers, router and lastly hubs or switches. Cables. Cable is the medium through which information usually moves from one network device to another. Server are generally not used by humans directly, but rather run CONTINUOSLY to provide service to the other computer and the human users on the network. Workstation WORKDTATION are called such because they typically do have a human USEL which interacts with the network through them. LAN TOPOLOGGY. There are different kinds of topology: bus, ring, star, tree, and hybrid topology. Bus topology is a type of network topology in which all devices are connected to a single cable called a bus. Ring topology is a type of network configuration where devices are connected in a circular manner, forming a closed loop. Star topology is a network topology in which each network component is physically connected to a central node such as a router, hub or switch. Color combination. Tools and equipment in computer networking. RJ45 RJ35 is type of connector commonly used for Ethernet networking. The RG and the RJ45 stand for registered, since it is standardized networking interface. The 45 simply refers to the number of the interface standard. Cable. It is a type of cable made by putting two separate insulated wires together in a twisted pattern and running them parallel to each other. Network tester, a device that is used to test the strength and connectivity of a particular type of cable or other wired assemblies. Crimping tool, to attach a connector with a network cable or the end of a phone, is the main objective of the crimping tool. The most common connectors, RJ11 and RJ45, that can be attached to the end of a cable. These connectors are more important for cable and can be attached to the cable with the help of a crimping tool. Ethernet cabling standards. Ethernet cabling standards. T568A T568A wiring pattern is recognized as the preferred wiring pattern for this standard because it provides backward compatibility to both one-pair and two-pair USOC, Universal Serial Ordering Code, wiring schemes. T568B T568B standard matches the older ATA and T258A color code and was the most widely used wire schemes. It is also permitted by the ANSI TIA AS standard, but it provides only a single pair backward compatibility to the USOC wiring schemes. Types of network cabling. Types of network cabling. Use of straight-through cables. Straight-through cables provide a connection that only allows one end to communicate at any given moment. These cables are the most common. They are best when connecting two different types of networking equipment. For instance, they are appropriate for connecting a computer to a switch, router or printer. Use of crossover cable. An Ethernet crossover cable is a network cable used to connect two Ethernet network devices directly, such as two computers without a switch or router in between. They are used to send and receive data by enabling complex data transfers between computers, routers, and networks. Illustration of straight-through network cabling: the side 1 and the side 2. Illustration of crossover network cabling: the side 1 and the side 2.